how to register a document. The document management feature in EqHub allows suppliers to upload the documents with relevant metadata. They can also manage corresponding document categories and access with ease. Now, let's go through the process of registering a document step by step. You can register a document in two ways: via clicking the plus button, which is always visible in the header menu, or via navigating to the content page and pressing the corresponding button on the Documents tab. After you click either of these buttons, the pop-up window will appear, where you'll be able to enter all needed data. For user convenience, there is a progress bar that hints what step you are on. It's also clickable, thus you can navigate between the sections. First, you need to specify the general set of document data, such as manufacturer, and only one manufacturer name can be selected. File upload, by drag and drop or by choosing from your computer. If the upload is successful, the system checks if the document with such hash already exists on the specified manufacturer. If such a file already exists as a document under the manufacturer, then the system suggests to upload another file. If there is no such file under the manufacturer, you can proceed with fields fulfillment. The next section is additional info. You can specify the following: document number, it must be unique within one manufacturer. Document title, revision number, it must be unique under the same document ID, and the revision date. The next section is categories. Here you can search for some particular category that you want to attach your document to, or choose it from the list. More than one category can be selected. If you've not found the corresponding category or categories for your document, you can choose the category Other. Next, you can configure the access to the document revision. By default, the document is available for all companies. If you want only specific companies to have access to the document, you can choose them from the list. If everything seems as expected, you can press the Publish button. After confirming the document registration, you will see the message notifying about successful registration of the document versions, and there will be a new row in the Documents table for this new published document revision. The system also generates a unique document ID, and all the document's future revisions will be kept under it, similar with the EqHub ID.